let me introduce you to my Christmas fairy. Now in just a moment, I'm going to place her on the CBeebies Christmas tree. If you'd like to make a Christmas fairy, here's what you'll need. Tape, glue, scissors, cupcake cases, coloured card, a pom-pom, pipe cleaners, ribbon, a plate, and a pencil or pen. Put a plate on some card and draw around it with a pen. Cut the circle out with some scissors. Scissors are sharp, so for this step, you'll need a grown-up's help. Fold the circle in half and cut to make 2 semicircles. Roll up one to make a cone shape and use sticky tape to keep it in place. Fold a cupcake case in half to make a semicircle. Then use glue to stick it to your cone. These are your fairy wings. Stick a pipe cleaner to your pom-pom using glue. Then stick your pom-pom to the top of the cone. Make a loop with your ribbon and then using sticky tape, stick the ribbon to the back of your fairy. Aww. And that's what you call a beautiful Christmas fairy, and you can decorate yours however you like. What do you think, Dodge?
Oh, I love it, Evie! We have loads more Christmas craft ideas right here on the CBeebies website. Just tap the Make and Colour bug to see more great ideas right now.